Hey everyone, so in this video we'll see how you can install this IKEA pegboard on your wall. So first let's take a look at the items that we've got in the packaging, and then we'll get to the installation part. So all of the stuff that I have here had come in a nice little plastic wrapping which was put in an outer cardboard box. So I've taken all of these things out, and now let's go through each one of these items. So this right here is a metallic bracket on which our pegboard will sit. So this is something that you would be mounting towards the top of the pegboard. So let's keep this aside. Now the next thing that I have here are some screws. So you have 4 screws and then these 2 plugs in this packet. And then this is the pegboard. So both the sides look similar, so it doesn't matter which side faces you. So let's keep this away as well. And finally, here's the instruction manual which has some installation instructions in it. So yeah, that's all that we have in the box. Now let's get to the installation part. So the first thing that we would be installing is this metal bracket, and just ensure that it's at a perfect horizontal level. If you have a level indicator, then make use of that. Otherwise maybe you might have to take reference of the other elements in your house. So for example, over here I'll be making use of these side walls to check if it's perfectly horizontal, and then make the markings for the holes to be drilled in. So now that we've got the markings ready, we can go ahead and drill the holes. But before doing that, let me just show you the screws that I will be using to mount the bracket. So these are the 2 screws that I'll be using to mount the bracket. And this is not something that you get with the pegboard. So this is something that I got separately with this screws box that I purchased from IKEA. So let's go ahead and make those holes. And after that's done, I'll be inserting these screw plugs which will hold the screws tightly in place. So now we can go ahead and install the bracket. So before we start mounting this pegboard on the wall, there's something that you need to do towards the bottom of the pegboard. So you have this kind of an attachment which is one is a screw and the other one is just a screw head, you can say. So what happens is once you put this in, it will keep the pegboard at the same angle which the bracket has created. So there are 2 of these that you need to plug at the bottom side of the pegboard. And this is the same thing that we'll do to the other side of the bottom end of the pegboard. So basically what I've done here is I've got this leveling thing installed at the bottom side, and on the top section we'll be using the other two screws to mount this on the wall. So let me get the camera in place again and we'll see what's happening here. And finally we'll tighten up the screws so that the pegboard is in place. So that's basically it, guys. Our pegboard is installed and ready to use. So now you can buy different stuff from the IKEA store, like these clips which you can use to hang certain stuff on the pegboard, and also some decorative items like this clock that I have here, and use it on the pegboard. So that's it for this one, guys. If you have any questions about this process, then you can add those in the comment section below and I'll respond to them as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video and do subscribe to my channel.